Dil Bechara is the first film directed by Mukesh Chhabra and the last film of Sushant Singh Rajput. It is a remake of the Hollywood blockbuster The Fault in Our Stars. But unlike that film, this one has always been intertwined with different controversies and big cinema movements since the beginning itself. This film was initially named Kizzy or Many, until recently when its name was changed to Dil Bechara. In 2018, when Me Too movement happened in Bollywood, soon there were claims against its director Mukesh Chhabra and his casting partner Vicky Sarana. After which, immediately Fox Studios, who are the producers of this project, suspended Mukesh's association with the film until it was resolved. Soon after, there was a similar anonymous claim against Sushant too of misbehaving with Sanjana Sanghi, who is the female lead of the film. Although they were immediately quashed by Sushant as well as Sanjana herself, few film critics continued to write blind items about Sushant till much later. And on 14th June 2020, Sushant killed himself and shook the entire country, exposing the ugly side of this industry. This event gave a rebirth to the topic of nepotism, in which initially the anger of the public poured out for the Bollywood biggies like Karan Johar, Yash Raj Studios, Alia Bhatt, Sonam Kapoor, and many more insiders. But after they went silent, right now the fight is going on among the outsiders themselves over the severity of nepotism in this industry. Anyhow, talking about the film, I don't know how to be technical about this film, and the reason is obvious, which is why I just want to say a few things about the film. This film is a remake, so the story is already out there, but the reality makes it even more emotional for all of us. Once again, after Chichore, it's another film of Sushant where he's trying to give hope to someone dying and once again saves that person with his character's immense positivity. Watching him doing it all again, I just wished someone would have done the same for him too. You know, they say reality is much harder than what's shown in the films. I guess it's true, because we saw Sushant dying on screen several times from his debut film Kai Poche to Son Chiraiya and then in Kedarnath too. But the way it happened in reality will remain with all of us like a deep scar, reminding you of the wound. Once again, in this film, we see him giving hope to Kizzy, played by Sanjana Sanghi, who's suffering from cancer herself. Sushant plays the character of Many, who himself is a cancer survivor who lost one of his legs to cancer. He comes as a ray of hope and positivity in the life of Kizzy, who had closed herself because of her illness. Sushant approaches her with a proposal to play the part of their heroine in a film that he's trying to make with his friend, who's also a cancer patient. After that, what happened is a classic love story with a bittersweet ending. To know more, I urge you guys to go and check out this film on Disney Plus Hotstar. Now, for those who are thinking that they don't have a subscription, I just want to tell you that as a tribute, this film has been made available to the subscribers as well as the non-subscribers. As a last word, I just want to say that I hope you will be able to see yourself in the last scene of the film. And I hope we'll be able to make the necessary changes in the industry so that this does not happen to anyone ever again.